Packing wrong for a cruise will wreck your trip before it's even started. Forget one important thing, and you're paying triple on board. Pack too much, and your cabin looks like a yard sale exploded. Hey cruise crew, we're Kat and Matt from KandMGetaways. We show you what really happens on cruises. This is real travel. The sunsets, the cocktails, the screw up, and the moments that make cruising worth it. We're travel agents who plan it like it's ours every time. That means you get real hacks, hidden ports, food worth splurging on, and the rookie mistakes you can skip. So if you want less stress, more laughs, and a cruise that actually feels like a vacation, hit subscribe. Kat and I have been there. Paid $15 for Pringles, got sunburnt on day one, and tripped over shoes in a room the size of a closet. That's why we put this list together. The cruise essentials we actually sail with. Real gear, real stories, no BS. On Harmony of the Seas Day 2, shoes, hats, everywhere. Kat was ready to throw me overboard. So here are the 3 space savers for Kat. Magnetic hooks, over-the-door organizer, and a hanging toiletry bag. Here's what we do. There's magnetic hooks on every wall. They cover hats, lanyards, clothing, wet clothes, towels, you name it. The organizer clears counter space. All the little stuff you brought in the packing cube goes right in. And the toiletry bag stops the CVS explosion. We've got all these links in the description. All right, clutter's handled. Now let's fix the suitcase explosion. Your suitcase explodes on day 2. Been there. It's like a college kid's dorm room. So Kat once was digging for socks through all my dirty, shirts. Yeah, let's go with shirts. So here's our essentials. Packing cubes, compression cubes, and a pop-up hamper. Here's what we do. All our outfits stay in the cubes. And the dirty stuff goes in the hamper. We're going to have these essentials linked below. Clothes are sorted, next fight. 2 outlets for everything. 2 outlets, that's all you get. 2. Sometimes you get one. You remember our first cruise to the Pier Runner? Our phones, cameras, Kat's hair straightener. It was like Hunger Games Outlet Edition. So here are the essentials we bring. Non-surge cube, a universal adapter, and power banks. Here's what we do. Cubes don't get confiscated. Adapters work on older ships that always have 2 universal ports as well. And power banks saves shore excursions. We have all of the exact ones we use linked below. Great. Gadgets are charged. Nobody lost their life. It wasn't even like a Game of Thrones episode. But what if your stomach acts up? Buying meds overseas? Completely risky. So I thought I was buying Pepto in Cozumel. Turns out, nope, just vitamins. Not a good CD. Here are our essentials. Pepto Chews, Benadryl, Dayquil, and ginger drops. Here's what we do. We take them and put them in that hanging toiletry bag, and it saves money compared to the ship store. You thought $15 Pringles were expensive? We've got these linked below. Great. Stomach's feeling better. What about that port gear? Don't rent snorkel gear. It's just gross and way overpriced. So Kat's rental snorkel gear, it leaked the entire excursion, and she's kind of a germaphobe. Here are our essentials. A waterproof pouch, water shoes, and a snorkel set. Here's what we do. Bring your own gear. It's way cheaper and way better. Everything's linked below. Great, you're excursion ready, but first, let's save that luggage. Lost luggage equals cruise nightmare. Here are our essentials. Cruise tags, air tags, and passport holder. Here's what we do. Print the tags and they're on the bags before they even get to the terminal with an air tag inside. And of course, in our day bag is our passport holder. All of these are linked below. Okay, so the bags are safe. Now let's talk about snacks, because $15 for a can of Pringles isn't a stretch. $15 Pringles? Never again. Those were the most expensive chips of my life. Don't get me wrong, there's a ton of food on cruise ships, but sometimes you just want some dill pickle Pringles and some Sour Patch Kids. So here's our essentials. Snack bags, reusable straws, and an insulated mug. Snacks save money. The mug keeps your coffee hot and your cocktails cold. Everything's linked below. We have the snacks handled. But what about sleep? Because no sleep equals no fun. Cabins can be really loud. Think pool deck chairs scraping along the floor at 6 a.m. Here are our essentials: a white noise machine, a portable fan, and an itty bitty. Here's what we do. It blocks the noise, it moves the air, and it saves our toes. All of these essentials are linked below. I don't know about you, got a great night's sleep. We don't want to fry in the sun on day one. Nothing kills a cruise faster than being baked like a lobster. My very first cruise, fell asleep on the pool deck. No sunscreen. I hid in the shade for days. Here are our essentials: Reef Safe sunscreen, aloe, and SPF lip balm. Here's what we do. We always pack from home. It's cheaper and way safer. These are all linked below. You got the sunscreen on? Last one. Do you want VIP treatment on board? Start with the crew. One thank you card and a little gift equals extra towel animals all week. So here are the essentials we pack. Thank you card, just a little bit extra. Hey, I know there's a huge debate on this right now, but here's what we do. A little tip goes a long way. Thanking them personally, we start off the cruise with some 1s and 5s and personally thank the crew members you come in contact with. Those thank you cards are linked in the description. These are the exact same essentials that Kat and I sail with every time because we've lived the mistakes and we don't want to repeat them. Everything we have talked about today is linked in the description of the video. You can grab it before your next cruise. If you have some of your own essentials, drop them in the comments. We are always looking for a way to cruise smarter. If you found this helpful, check out our Cruise Mistakes series. 10 rookie mistakes so you never feel like a first-timer again. And always, cruise smarter, not harder. Less stress, just cruise. And until we see you again, ship happens. Hey cruise crew, we're Kat and Matt from KandMGetaways. We show you what really happens on cruises. This is real travel. The sunsets, the cocktails, the screw-ups, and the moments that make cruising worth it. We're travel agents who plan it like it's ours every time. That means you get real hacks, hidden ports, food worth splurging on, and the rookie mistakes you can skip. So if you want less stress, more laughs, and a cruise that actually feels like a vacation, hit subscribe and join the crew.